Welcome, Agile friends. My name is Dave Simpson, and I'm hosting this session with our amazing speaker, Adam Thomas. In this session, we'll learn about practices every product owner should know, and specifically focus on strategic custody. So welcome, Adam.
Thank you. Thank you. Really happy to be here and excited to talk about strategy for you, the person watching this, to get that brain going around what product strategy is and how we can use it to make better products.
I love it. And just so people know, there's also going to be other sessions for the Product Owner Summit 2023 that touch on topics that every product owner should know. And so don't miss those. For example, we'll have Andy Kleff, and he will be giving a session on doing no better. So check those sessions out at productownersummit.org. But now we're going to focus on strategic custody. So Adam, let's get going with the basics. What is strategic custody?
Strategic custody is how you are simply able to make strategy and make it count within teams, and how you're going to be able to operationalize that strategy when you're doing that work.
Gotcha. And if I understand correctly, you've got some slides prepared for us to dive deeper into that.
Dude, we are going to go right into strategic custody, and we're going to have a good time. And here we go. I'm going to let it boot up a bit. Here we go. Strategic custody. As you can see, it's all about making strategy and making it count. So I have a question for you. The tree falls in the forest and no one hears it. Does it make a sound?
I've always answered this, but yeah, it does. I could be wrong, and I'm okay with that.
Indeed. Well, tech is making a sound now, and that sound is 200,000 people laid off in the last 6 months. We're in a place where tech is changing, and it's going to be more important that you are strategic in how you think about and how you engage with technology, because money time is over. Over the last few years, VCs have had free run and free money to throw at any problem. And so you saw teams expand and explode to take on problems that didn't really exist. That's done now. And so what we're going to have left over the next few years is a rebuilding of technology in a way and with oversight that other places have. Which is a good time for product owners, because that means we have the opportunity to build trust again. Over the last few years, product owners haven't done a great job at inspiring trust for a lot of reasons, some of which are under your control and some of which aren't. But with the financial world tightening their arms around what we do, we have an opportunity to reset the table and to do things in a strategic way that will increase our ability to make technology that matters. Because for product owners, they are a part of a team, and that team's job is to create an environment where the team is consistently making better decisions over time. And that's what strategy can help you do. It can be the document that helps you understand strategy in a way that you can iterate on that strategy to make better decisions over time. And that's what leads us to strategic custody, because strategy means nothing if no one uses it. And so it's not just enough to build a strategy, to have strategy, but it's got to be carried. It's got to be carried within the team, and it's got to be carried within the product that you create. So what does custody mean? It means the protective care or guardianship of something or someone. And so it is up to us as product owners to be the type of person that holds on to strategy and keeps care of it. And we're going to talk about that in the next few minutes. Strategic custody is the art of